How to sign up for TurboTax and create a new TurboTax account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up for TurboTax or create a new TurboTax account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser on either your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in turbotax.intuit.com. Now, if you don't want to type this in, I'll also leave the link in the description. You can simply open it from there. Now, once you're on this website, simply tap on the option sign in, which is in the top right corner of your screen. After that, you will be redirected to this page where on the right side of the screen, you can see the login box. So if you want to log into your account, you'll have to enter your phone number, email address, or your user ID and then tap on the option sign in. But since we don't have an account and want to sign up or create an account, we'll tap on the option create an account, which is right over here. Now you will be taken to this page where you'll have to first of all enter your email address over here. After that, confirm your email by typing it again in this box below. Now create a user ID for your account. So now you'll have to enter your phone number over here. Now scroll down and then create a new password for your TurboTax account. Confirm it by typing it again in the box below. Once you've done that, tap on the option create account. Now tap on the option let's go. And now once you follow all the steps provided to you, you'll have successfully created a new TurboTax account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.